Hey there friends, have you ever wanted to create stunning, unique images but didn't know how? Well, guess what? You can do it for free using AI. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to generate amazing AI images without spending a single penny. We'll use a super cool free tool called Art Breeder, and by the end, you'll have your masterpiece ready. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Introduction to Art Breeder. First things first, what is Art Breeder? Art Breeder is an easy to use AI tool that lets you create and customize images by combining different elements. You can design portraits, landscapes, and even funky abstract art. It's free and works directly from your browser. No downloads needed. Step 2. Getting started with Art Breeder. Once you're on Art Breeder, you'll see a gallery of images created by other users. Think of it as a playground where you can pick an image and tweak it as much as you want. Click on an image to start. From there, you'll see sliders for traits like age, gender, mood, and more. Slide them around to change the image. It's like magic. Step 3. Creating your image. Now comes the fun part. You can mix and match different elements to create a brand new image. Want to combine a serene landscape with a futuristic vibe? You can do that. Just explore the options, experiment with the sliders, and let the AI work its magic. Step 4. Downloading your creation. Once you're happy with your creation, simply hit the download button. The best part? It's totally free. You now have a unique AI-generated image that you can use for projects, social media, or just for fun. See how easy that was? With tools like Art Breeder, anyone can create AI images for free. So go ahead, unleash your creativity, and let me know in the comments what you made. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI tips and tricks. See you in the next video.